Hi guys, this is Prerna and welcome back to my channel Prepping with Prerna. So today we are going to discuss about the topic, the power of initiative. Before going into this topic, I would like to tell you all a short story on the polar bear analogy. This is the story of a brother and a sister polar bear who had grown old enough to leave their parents' house and start living on their own in the middle of the sea on two ice blocks. Since they were living on their own, they had to make their own arrangements for the food. For that, the sister polar bear suggested her brother that they should dive into the ocean and start catching fish or seal. However, the brother polar bear was not in favor of his sister's decision and he kept quiet. He even insisted his sister that they should wait on the ice blocks for the fish to come to them so that they can have dinner easily. But the fact was the brother polar bear was not interested to dive deep into the freezing cold ocean and take risk of catching the fish. However, his sister was very adamant and she dives deep into the cold and freezing ocean to catch the fish, but without success. Now, the brother polar bear makes sarcastic comments on his sister and even advises his sister to simply keep quiet and start waiting for the fish to come to them so that they can have their lunch. But the sister polar bear never listened to her brother. She took the second chance of diving deep into the ocean, but this time too she failed. But the thing is, she was very close to her prey and she had improved on her skills of hunting. This time too, her brother started passing comments on her, but she never bothered. She tried the third time and she succeeded. And there, the brother polar bear sat cursing the whole world without meal with a growling stomach. So what do we learn from it? We learn that courage and consistency with initiative are the main ingredients for success and survival. There are three kinds of people in this world. First kind, people who make things happen. Second, people who watch things happen. Third, people who wonder what happened. Now you can decide to which group you want to be in. So how to develop initiative? First thing is you must develop goals. Your goals may be as simple as completing breakfast within the stipulated time if you are a late eater. When you start accomplishing smaller goals, you feel great about yourself and your self-confidence increases. Spot opportunities. When you see a potential chance or opportunity, try to grab it without having a second thought or doubting yourself. Try to find a balance. Especially when you are on professional front, you must know that your aggression must not overtake your initiative. You can't just simply impose your initiative on an already overloaded team. Try to test launch your initiative in phases instead. What are the benefits of taking initiative? The first thing is you realize your true potential. Taking initiative may be very risky, but it helps you realize your value, your true potential and what you are able to do. Taking initiative improves your self-awareness and also it unleashes the creativity which is inside you. Taking initiative is just not a representation. It also involves giving solutions or taking important decisions in crucial situations. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates like this. Your likes will definitely encourage me to come up with more inspiring videos like this.